Okay, we're going to be making banana bread. So I've cleaned out the bowl, I've washed my hands, and we're going to make some chocolate banana bread. So first things first, I'm going to mix together all the dry ingredients. So for that, we are going to need...
I have to.
You want to help?
Yeah.
You gotta go wash your hands. So we're going to need 1 cup of regular sugar. We've got 1 cup of regular sugar. Sophia, can you do the honors and pour it in for me? Okay. Now we need 1 cup of light brown sugar or regular dark brown sugar. Yes! Banana bread. Sophia, now help me dump out 1 cup, right there, 1 cup of brown sugar. So here you go, Sophia, dump it in.
Okay.
Pat it. It's a little wet from being washed. Okay. Now we need 2 cups of flour. Okay, here's cup number 1. Tap, tap, tap. Here's cup number 2. Sophia, you dump it in. Tap, tap, tap. I'm just going to put a little bit extra because we lost a little bit in the process of Sophia. Nope. Don't touch. Now we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
Wow. Well, I was stirring.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, you're getting some out.
No, me? I can't get another day. Mommy, Daddy, want to play raining. Wow.
Got all these dry ingredients all mixed. Now we're going to set them to the side. So we need 1 of these because, oh, hold on. 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon. It's 1 tablespoon for every cup, and we use 1/3 of a cup. So since we're doing banana bread, I'm going to do some lemon juice instead of the vinegar. We're going to mix this up and let it sit for 10 minutes before we mix it with anything. So we will be right back. Say, we'll be right back. So now that we've let the buttermilk that we created kind of sit, you can see that it's a little curdled around the sides. That's what you want. You're going to take 5 eggs. Okay, so we have the 5 eggs. For our wet ingredients, our last wet ingredient is going to be a cup of margarine. Oh, don't do that, honey. Cup of margarine is in there. We're going to put this all off to the side because we will be using a mixer to mix that. Now we have our 4 bananas and they weren't ripe, so I just popped them in the oven for 10 minutes. It makes them a little bit more mushy and ripe. And you pop them in the oven for 10 minutes at 240. So 4 large bananas or 6 small bananas, depending on their size. Now I used this like little hamburger helper masher. It's by Betty Crocker.
I want chocolate too.
I'm gonna chocolate milk right now. And I like to use it for everything but hamburgers, honestly. all up. So now I'm just going to dump the banana mix into our wet ingredients. We're going to use about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Like I like to do 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So I fill that up on the bottom. And that is it for our wet ingredients. I also like to throw just 1 dry ingredient into this mix. And that is my ground cinnamon. And I'm doing just 1 teaspoon of that. And now I'm going to mix this with my hand mixer. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my whisk. So there's going to be no sound. I don't want to annoy y'all with that. Next, we're going to add the dry ingredients that we already hand mixed earlier. Start off on low and then I work my way up to about medium. Like a few chunks of the sugar in there. I just didn't want to get crushed up. It's okay. So after this, I'm going to cover it. With some plastic wrap. For about an hour. So now that it's been an hour and we've let it sit, I'm going to transfer it, and this is my first time using a 9x13 pan, I believe it is. Let me check. Yep, it's a 9x13 pan. So I'm just going to spray it with some canola oil. Spread that around. Now I'm just going to pour the mixture in. Make it extra chocolatey chippity. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes and check on it. And then I'm going to put the crumble on top after the 30 minutes. To make the crumble top, you need 2 sticks of butter. Once we've grated both sticks of butter, you're going to add a whole cup of flour, 1/4 cup of regular sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown or light brown sugar. Then you're going to use your hands. I was just double washing my hands because I have to use my hands. And I'm going to mix all the ingredients. Put this back in the oven for about another half an hour and let this all crisp and golden up.